As the demand for high-performance gaming rigs, workstations, and custom PC builds continues to rise, the need for spacious, versatile, and efficient PC cases becomes crucial. Full tower PC cases are the go-to choice for enthusiasts looking to maximize cooling potential, upgradability, and aesthetic appeal. With ample room for powerful hardware components, advanced cooling systems, and intricate cable management, full tower cases offer the flexibility to create the ultimate setup. In 2025, manufacturers are pushing the boundaries of design, functionality, and innovation. From stylish tempered glass panels to advanced airflow systems, the best full tower PC cases cater to a wide range of needs. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional seeking a powerhouse build, these cases are designed to support the most demanding hardware. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 full tower PC cases of 2025, highlighting their unique features and performance capabilities. Corsair Obsidian 9000D. The Corsair Obsidian 9000D is a premium PC case that redefines versatility and capacity. Priced at $500, it caters to enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-performance build with unparalleled cooling and storage options. Supporting up to 18 by 120mm fans and 480mm radiators, this chassis ensures excellent airflow and thermal management for even the most demanding setups. One of its standout features is the Infini-Rail fan mounting system, offering flexibility in fan and radiator placement. Combined with the IQ Link system hub, it provides seamless connectivity and control for RGB lighting and fan speed, enhancing the overall aesthetic and performance. Storage enthusiasts will appreciate the capability to house 6 SSDs and 5 HDDs, ensuring ample space for extensive storage configurations. The quick-turn screws streamline assembly, while the integrated GPU anti-sag mechanism ensures durability and stability for large, high-performance GPUs. Additionally, a built-in USB Type-C hub delivers modern connectivity for high-speed peripherals. Corsair's inclusion of a microfiber cloth highlights attention to detail, ensuring your case remains spotless. The 9000D's design, functionality, and innovative features make it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and style in their builds. It's an investment in quality, but a worthy one. Lian Li V3000 Plus. The Lian Li V3000 Plus is a feature-packed full-tower chassis priced at $440, designed to meet the needs of high-performance PC builds. Its standout feature is the ability to operate in 3 configurations: standard, rotate, and dual system modes. This flexibility makes it ideal for builders who require adaptability, whether for a single high-powered system or a dual system setup. The chassis accommodates both an EEB motherboard and an ITX motherboard, enabling advanced configurations for multitasking enthusiasts. Cooling capacity is unmatched, with support for up to 4 by 480mm radiators and an additional 1 by 360mm radiator, alongside room for 17 fans, ensuring exceptional thermal management for even the most demanding hardware. For liquid cooling enthusiasts, the case includes 2 reservoir plates that easily mount large D5 or DDC pumps, simplifying custom loop installations. Additionally, its storage capacity is remarkable, with space for up to 16 storage drives in cages and trays, catering to professionals with extensive data storage needs. The V3000 Plus combines a modern design with robust build quality and unmatched expandability. Its versatility, cooling options, and storage capabilities make it a top-tier choice for enthusiasts, professionals, and custom loop builders looking for a premium chassis. A perfect blend of style and functionality. Phanteks NV9. The Phanteks NV9 is a standout PC chassis that emphasizes elegance and performance. Its near-seamless glass panels provide a striking, unobstructed view of your build, making it a showpiece for enthusiasts. The unique layout, placing the motherboard at the center and surrounding it with fans, maximizes airflow and visual appeal. Engineered for serious cooling, the NV9 supports triple 420mm and 280mm radiators simultaneously, ensuring exceptional thermal performance for high-end builds. The ultra-fine mesh on exterior panels and an immense bottom airflow intake with 65mm clearance further enhance cooling efficiency, while dedicated GPU cooling ensures your graphics card stays cool under pressure. Build-friendly features include a versatile GPU support bracket to eliminate sag and removable side and bottom fan brackets for effortless installation. The bottom bracket's reversible design allows for angled or horizontal fan positions, Integrated DRGB lighting adds a refined touch with dual-channel output for customizable effects, which work seamlessly without software or with third-party tools. With its innovative layout, exceptional cooling capacity, and thoughtful design elements, the NV9 is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a blend of style, performance, and practicality in a modern PC case. Thermaltake CTEC 750. The Thermaltake CTEC 750, priced at $164, is a thoughtfully engineered chassis designed to elevate cooling and aesthetics. Its standout feature is the 90-degree rotated motherboard layout, which centralizes the CPU to optimize cooling performance. This innovative design ensures efficient airflow directly over key components, making it ideal for high-performance builds. With support for multi-radiator cooling, including compatibility with both multi-AIO setups and DIY liquid cooling systems, the CTEC 750 offers exceptional flexibility for thermal management. The case's multi-directional cooling support allows users to tailor airflow to their specific build requirements, making it highly versatile. The back panel chamber design separates the PSU, storage, and cable management areas, streamlining the build process and ensuring a clean, professional look. Coupled with its channeled airflow system, this design prioritizes both function and form. A tempered glass side panel completes the chassis, offering a clear view of your build while maintaining a sleek and durable aesthetic. For builders seeking excellent cooling performance, robust customization options, and a polished design at an affordable price, the CTEC 750 is a compelling choice that punches above its weight. Antec Performance 1 FT. The Antec Performance 1 FT, priced at $145, delivers a balance of style, functionality, and affordability, making it a strong contender for PC enthusiasts. The case features a temperature display that provides a quick and easy way to monitor your system's status, a useful addition for users who prioritize performance and thermal management. The inclusion of Antec iUnity is a standout, offering instant access to essential PC specs, simplifying system monitoring. For cable management, the case comes with 2 cable covers, which make routing cables cleaner and more organized, ensuring a sleek interior presentation. On the connectivity front, the Type-C 10 gigabits per second port is a modern and practical touch, catering to high-speed devices and future-proofing the chassis. Its dual 4mm tempered glass side panels offer durability while showcasing your components, making the case ideal for aesthetic builds. The Performance 1 FT combines functionality with a premium feel at an accessible price point. With its thoughtful features and clean design, it's an excellent choice for builders who value both style and practicality without breaking the bank.